the one who can fix it. Let us make a commitment right now. Let us promise, Allah, that we will no longer be thieves in our prayer. Let us promise that we will seek Him in the silence of our prostration. If you can fix your sujood, Allah will fix your life. It is that simple. The year 2026 is waiting for you, but do not walk into it alone. Walk into it with the King of Kings. Walk into it with a heart that knows how to bow, because the one who bows to Allah can stand in front of anything. May Allah make us among the Sujood, those who prostrate often and sincerely. May He accept our prayers, wipe away our tears, and grant us the highest levels of paradise. Amen. Oh Allah, help me to remember You, to thank You, and to worship You in the best manner.